How do you use erythromycin ointment for a stye? Erythromycin ointment can be used to treat a stye, which is a bacterial infection that affects the glands around the eyelids. Here's how to use erythromycin ointment for a stye. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. 2. Gently clean the affected eye and the surrounding area with warm water and a clean cloth. Do not rub or press on the stye. 3. Squeeze a small amount of erythromycin ointment, about the size of a grain of rice, onto the tip of your finger or a clean cotton swab. 4. Close your eye and gently apply the ointment to the base of the eyelashes of the affected eye. Be careful not to touch the eye with the tip of the tube or your finger. 5. Repeat the process for the other eye if instructed by your doctor or pharmacist. 6. Wash your hands again after applying the ointment. You should use erythromycin ointment as directed by your doctor or pharmacist. Generally, it is applied 2 to 4 times a day for 5 to 7 days, or as directed. If the stye does not improve or worsens after using the ointment for a few days, contact your healthcare provider.